Hey guys, I'm on my way to the steak dinner. It's gonna be me and Nicki. Our birthdays are right next to each other. Mine's the 7th, hers the 8th. Alright. Steak. Here I come. Whoops, take that thing off. We're on our way to the steak dinner. Say hi.
Hello.
Hey. We celebrating our birthdays. Alrighty. We're at the point. I gotta get my picture from my thumbnail.
There you go.
Hi. Now, you remember me, and I told y'all, get my steak. Alright, medium well, just a little bit pink. Alright guys, we're gonna look at what our table looks like. Alright, who made my steak? That was good job. Good job. Oh, I want to see what they're watching.
Look how pretty they are.
Hi pigeons, don't poop on me. Okay, birds, don't poop on me. Oh, look at this guy. Oh shit, don't come. Don't come next to me. No, please don't. Please don't. Oh, that was scary. Oh, shit. What? Oh, I'm sorry. I promise you it's like this. You understood. Go home. I'm about to stop recording because it's trying to come at me. It don't like the camera. My 14th cruise and I've never watched a movie.
You gotta go out and come back in.
Excuse us.
Sit right here.
Hey, we were on our way and then they had something so amazing in that middle. Oh my gosh. We were walking this way and then whatever that third floor on the bottom is, they had some type of, they were playing music, they were singing a song.
It started at 8:15. I said, child, it's time to eat. I'm sorry.
Ours was at 5:30.
Right.
So.
Yeah, it's not. What?
Oh, you went to the Motown?
We went to the Steakhouse.
No. So what was it? What was the name of the thing that was going on?
I don't know. I didn't know something was going on.
Yeah.
All your bags are packed, we're ready to go. We're standing here in front of you. We're here to see you go and say goodbye. We have done our best to serve you this good. We have danced for you and make you smile. Already we're so lonesome we could cry. So wave me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll be back for me. you. Every song we sing for you. When you come back, we want to serve you again. So wave me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll be back for me. Hold me like you never let me go. You never let me go. No leaving out of our ship. We want to see you back again. Leaving out of our ship. We want to see you back again.
Nicki's first bonus. She don't play in the casino. He's supposed to appear. He didn't appear? Oh, you punk. Alright, kitties, do something for me, girls. Do something for me, girls. Do something for me, girls. Oh, my God. You were supposed to bonus that. Come on, baby. Kitties. Kitties. Kitty. Kitty. That's a bad spot. I need Kitty over here. Kitty. Are you seriously? Come on. There you go. But then you didn't match. Come on, Kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. There we go. Blocker. Come on, kitty me, kitty me, kitty me, kitty, kitty, kitty. Ah. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Come on, baby, last spin. Re-trigger or kick. Good job, Leprechauni. Let's go, Leprechauni, 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 Leprechauni. Let's go. There we go. Come. Dig in there. Hell yeah. Oh, leprechaun, 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 leprechaun. Nope, not a coin show. There you go. Do something. Get your butt up in there. There we go. Come on, leprechaun-y, baby. Alright, one more. Am I being greedy? Oh, nice spot up top. Come on. Leprechaun-y. Oh! Is it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I got a coin shoe. I got a coin shoe. Hey guys, so today's the last day. Actually, this is the last night. It's about time to get off. 4 days is short. But I go on the Wander the Seas in September. Wander. Are you ready for I Look Her So Royal? Guys, look what I see when I get in the room. I got me a tail animal. And he's got something in his hand. It says thank you. Aww. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my carnival experiences.